Question number 11. Refer to the drawings of single pair of homologous chromosome as they might appear during various stages of cell cycle. Letter 1. This is the separation of homologous chromosome. Anaphase 1, meiosis. This will be typical anaphase of normal mitosis. This is anaphase 2. Anaphase, because now there is single chromatid separation. Here also single chromatid separation. This is a similar type of cells. This is anaphase of mitosis. This is, we are saying anaphase 1 and anaphase 2 indicate mitosis. This is chromatids. This is of metaphase, equator plane, metaphase 2. I would be preferred to say because of it is meiosis, metaphase 2. What would be our answer? Let us check. One is, there is one. One is anaphase 1. Anaphase 1, anaphase 1. Second case, simple mitotic anaphase. Mitotic anaphase. Third is, this is third, anaphase 2. Fourth is typical metaphase 2. This is our answer, comes to cat. Oh yes, the answer is cat. Right?